Swinburne University of Technology.
Ladies and gentlemen, today's graduation ceremony is about to begin. Swinburne University of Technology Chancellor, Mr. Bill Scales, AO, will preside over the ceremony. Mr. Scales, AO, will be preceded into the hall by Mr. Ewan Drum, the mace bearer. The mace is the symbol of institutional authority and is carried as a symbolic weapon of protection. The presiding officer and mace bearer are members of the official party who will be escorted into the hall by the academic procession. The academic procession is about to enter the hall. Would you please stand?
Please remain standing for the national anthem. My name is Tony Reid, the Swinburne's Registrar. It is my great opportunity to welcome you here to this graduation ceremony. This is one of 4 ceremonies the University is holding this week for nearly 2,000 Swinburne vocational education and higher education graduates. It is now my pleasure to introduce to you the people here seated on stage. Seated at the centre of the stage is Mr. Bill Scales, AO, Chancellor, who will preside over this ceremony. The Chancellor is joined today by Professor Janelle Kidd, Senior Deputy Vice-Chancellor and Provost, Mr. Andrew Dix, Council Member of Swinburne University, Professor Min Yu Gu, Pro-Vice-Chancellor Research Capacity and Director of Centre for Microphotonics, Professor John Wilson, Executive Dean of the Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology, Sharon Rice, Executive Director, Centre for Engineering, Technology and Trades, Terese McAleese, Director of Learning, Centre for Engineering, Technology and Trades, Professor Emeritus Peter Hannaford, and Mr. Andrew McFarlane, Director of Student Services. In addition to these people, the other people seated on the stage are academics and professional staff from the faculties and vocational education centres who have played such a large part in the success of today's graduates. It now gives me great pleasure to invite Mr. Bill Scales, AO, Chancellor of Swinburne University of Technology, to formally open proceedings.
Thank you, Tony. Senior Deputy Vice-Chancellor and members of the University Council, members of staff, distinguished guests, very importantly, of course, graduates, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Swinburne University of Technology, it is my great pleasure to welcome you to this graduation ceremony. We are all very pleased that so many of you have been able to attend to make this such a special occasion. This ceremony acknowledges the academic and research achievements of our students and represents for them a significant step in their process of lifelong learning. As a mark of respect to Australia's Indigenous people, Swinburne University of Technology acknowledges the Wurundjeri people as the traditional custodians of the land where we now meet to conduct this most important of ceremonies. I would also like to pay my respect to all of the elders, past and present, of the Kulin Nation, and extend that respect to any other Aboriginal person here present today. On the occasion of this ceremony, the Council and staff of the University wish to offer their congratulations to the graduates on this magnificent achievement. For all of us, this ceremony is a significant milestone event. For the graduates, it acknowledges the culmination of years of study, hard work, and of course, achievement. For the parents, families and friends of the graduates, it is an important public recognition of all of the sacrifices that you have made and all of the support that you have provided to these graduates. So today is an opportunity for all of us to celebrate what is in fact a shared achievement. Like you, we feel a great sense of pride and happiness in seeing your friend or your family member succeed in this most significant way. For the academic and professional staff of the university, there is enormous satisfaction in seeing our students successfully complete their studies. And while this ceremony quite rightly celebrates the achievements of our students, and so it should, it is an important occasion for the university also. Swinburne prides itself on the quality of its teaching, its learning, and as you'll see today by our PhD students, the excellence of its research. This celebration gives public recognition of Swinburne's commitment to provide our students with a range of high-quality educational qualifications. These qualifications will without doubt assist them in making an ongoing contribution to their chosen profession, and very importantly for Swinburne, it will enable them to make an ongoing contribution to their community. Swinburne is committed to being a nationally and an internationally recognised institution in science, technology, design, business and innovation, where our education programs and our research are relevant to the world community as well as to Australia. We're dedicated to this goal because increasingly, and I can tell you graduates that you will be no exception to this rule, increasingly our graduates will establish international careers and very successful ones. And of course our researchers routinely collaborate with scholars from right around the world. Graduates, I'm now going to ask you to please stand. Please stand. Graduates, by virtue of the authority vested in me by the Governance, Nominations and Conferral Committee of Swinburne University of Technology, I admit you, the duly authorised graduates, to the appropriate awards and all of the rights and all of the privileges of those awards. Well done. Let me be the first to congratulate you, but please join with me to congratulate these wonderful people. Graduates, please take your seats.
This has been a Swinburne production. Swinburne University of Technology.
I now call upon Ms Terese McAleese, the Director Learning of the Centre for Engineering, Technology and Trades, to present the Centre's graduates.
I'd like to start by congratulating all of today's graduands. It's important to take time out now and again to celebrate a milestone in your life. And this morning is such an occasion when you can take time out with friends and family to recognise your achievements. Swinburne is very proud of its students, and we have a genuine sense of responsibility for preparing tomorrow's leaders for the challenges of a rapidly changing world. Our vocational education centres recognise that students, businesses and our communities need to be equipped to embrace important issues as they emerge. Through our relationships with industry and community and the input they provide into our programme design, we ensure our high quality training products and services give students what they need. The world, our workplaces and community are rapidly transforming, driven by economic, environmental, political and technological changes. And we have seen enormous increases in globalisation as the world embraces technology and the sharing of knowledge and cultures. The qualification which you take away with you today does not tell the world that you know all the answers. Rather, it tells the world that you are equipped to inquire, question and learn. You have the skills to be able to develop, adapt and continue your learning, and importantly, you also have the attributes to be both team players and leaders. I would like to congratulate our graduates today for what they have achieved and invite them to continue their journey of learning with Swinburne in the future. Well done. Chancellor, I have the honour to present to you the graduates on whom an award has been conferred. For the Diploma of Engineering in Unilink, Cameron Anthony Brock. Harsha Dushmantha Dampahalaji. For the Diploma of Fire Technology, Paul Gregory Beers. For the Diploma of Sustainable Landscape Design, Janet Eloise Duggan. Jonathan Peter Kyo. Bryce Gregory Lambert. Jonathan David Michael. John Mitchell. Benjamin Robert Newell. James Thompson. For the Advanced Diploma of Building Design in Architectural, Anthony Mancarella. Jonathan Michael Brubay. Jonathan Peter Clark. Georgia Louise Crow. Joshua John Emery. June Carolyn Keith. Robert Montanese. Heidi Elizabeth Moore. Yvonne Leslie Ryan. Hung Wag. For the Advanced Diploma of Electronics Engineering, Amir Abayar. For the Advanced Diploma of Engineering Technology Electrical, Macaulay James Lindgren. Kevin Andrew Minnow. For the Advanced Diploma of Engineering Technology in Civil, Nikhil Kumar Yadakut Ajith Kumar. For the Advanced Diploma of Engineering Technology in Mechanical, Ashley Lauren Moyle. For the Advanced Diploma in Engineering Technology in Robotics and Mechatronics, Jason Andrew Worthenshon. For the Advanced Diploma in Engineering Technology in Mechanical, Ali Abdul Aziz Kosani. Chancellor, that now concludes the awards for the Centre for Engineering, Technology and Trades. I now call upon Professor John Wilson, the Executive Dean of the Faculty of Science, Engineering and Technology, to present his graduates.
Look, good morning. I certainly have the great pleasure of presenting our graduates from Engineering and Industrial Sciences. Our aviation and engineering students are well equipped with the high technological and practical skills needed in their professions to enhance our everyday life and well-being. It's because of this practical approach that industry experience forms an integral part of the studies here at Swinburne. Our graduates are about to engage with a complex world where knowledge, enterprise, and the ability to innovate will define the future. It's now up to you to seize the many opportunities and to use your grounded confidence and professional skills to go and make a difference. I'd like to offer my congratulations to all our graduates, and we wish you all the very best in your future endeavours. We look forward to ongoing contact, and we certainly wish you great success and well done again. Chancellor, I have the honour to present to you the graduates on whom an award has been conferred. For the Bachelor of Aviation, Samuel John Chandra. Jung Rong Chen. Zoltan Sida Totoni. John Stephen Dwyer. Khalid Fakra. Matthew Alexander Harrow. Nguyen Belintha Hitatrachi. Benjamin Russell Johnson. Samilo Kushikaki. Jaishik Lal. Andrew Lasinian Muhu. Ashley Stephen Miller. Kwan Hong Nguyen. David Pryor. James Rowan Teagle. Lachlan Tew. Luke Aaron Verhagen. John Paul Vital. For the Bachelor of Aviation in Management, Ahmed Abdul El Hamad. Yasser Ali Abdul Al Harazi. Davor Karish. Shifalika Chopra. Doing well. Sparsh Deep. William Joseph Dickinson. Paruno Pamar Baleki Dugar. Rio Shi Lee. Jiabei Lu. Thank you. Dara Rachel Sana. Siddhartha Yamanani. For the Bachelor of Aviation Management and the Bachelor of Commerce, David Patrick Brennan. Vincent Garrett Heel. Lydia Lazar. Akila Wanakula Suri. For the Bachelor of Aviation and the Bachelor of Business, James Matthew Byrne. Benjamin David Crawford. Andrew James Langmead. For the Bachelor of Aviation and the Bachelor of Commerce, Vin Long Nim. For the Bachelor of Engineering and Biomedical Engineering, Ahmed Salem Al-Rashidi. Sujay Prasanna Kumar. Vijay Prasanna Kumar. Aaron James Milroy. Lakshmi Thiru. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Civil Engineering, Krish Apadu. David Bullock. Stephen Gregory Blythman. Thomas Francis Dobson. Jesse C. Hu Che. Jared Raymond Robert Cousin. Aidan Terence Davidson. Joel Ashley Drew. Monia Ifat. Philip Joseph Garner. Jackson Ho. Wang Quan Ho. Christian Vincent Inturizi. Susintha Ranga Jayasingh. Saram Jagatheswaran. Nurul Karanusia Hani Junaidi. Iev Heng Lim. Liam James Laurent. Liam Patrick McArdle. Brett John McInnes. Cameron James McKinnon. Taran Francis Medcalf. Malisham Varananthan. Paul Daniel Murphy. Vinaraj Onagarath Nathan. Socrates Stephen Papazoy. Justin Francis Pearce. Alina Lokoj Asithia Pereira. Marie Elsa Perot. Dilshan Madaranga Pitigala Lianaj. Aaron Pakowski. Moksul Raman. Yasmin Erica Roper. Ivan Victor Salvador. Mark Christopher Seen. Luke Jared Sims. Todd Joshua Smith. Anthony Stavrindis. Guan Keat Teo. Eric Shinang Tiang. Mindat Tran. Connie Wong Koling. Philip Zacharias Poulos. Chen Wei Chang. For the Bachelor of Engineering and Civil Engineering and the Bachelor of Business, Stephen Michael Haderich. Tanya Nun Kyu Chen. Benjamin Francis Chikur. David Peter Frank. Lachlan David Graham. Hugh Michael Harkin. Michael Keenan Edward Hart. Nathan James Krell. Lincoln Lads. Alan Lau. Brent John Dean Neville. Thian San Karen Nguyen. Basasi McAleese. Anthony Ferdo Pratuda. Callum John Randall. Daniel James Ruffle. James Ryan Sakis. Eric Paul Savels. Chuan Wei Tran. Vises Sam Ush. Jacqueline Rochelle Varghese. For the Bachelor of Engineering and Civil Engineering and the Bachelor of Commerce, Abnoud Elias. Thomas Bolton Gallery. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Don Sunath de Lucia Bomber Wheeler. Michael Shashi Cooper. Shamika Umesha Bandara Disanaya Yaka Narawathin. Bin Quang Do. Divashith Duta Baru. William Bernard Farr. Matthew Lee Ferrari. Ashley James McCormick Fraser. Daniel Graham Greenwell. Alexander Josephsky. Lahini Kaduj Anjuazyan Chaprika. Lasni Shandula Leona Patharin. Matthew James Lutz. Tuan An Yun. Ivitus Sadia. William Andrew Springhill. Dung Than Tran. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering and the Bachelor of Commerce, Dion Lionel Bertha. Michael Nicholas Tutek. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Computer Systems, Rafael Conrad Wodowski. the Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Computer Systems and the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Software Engineering, Troy Anthony Muggery. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, Basanayaka Muhammad Izuri Bandara Eba Ratni. Aaron Altman. Kartik Anand. Alexander Donald Buchanan. Christian Budiono. Daniel James Castellano. Michael Patrick Cullinan. Danji Rahul Hurji. Muhammad El Suki. Inam Farouk. Christopher Matthew Gambold. Rowan Neil Gathacol. Drew Justin Hartley. Natasha Jane Yelensky. Kieran Gerard Joyner. Said Kano. Karana Yaka Leonage Shamara Jiwanthan Pereira. Shun Keat Lee. Benjamin Loom. Mark Foong Xian Lei. Russell Lemons. Glenn Samuel Molden. Sohail Niseth Muchala. Peter James Mullen. Huimin Jacinta Nin. Jonathan Peter O'Day. Jimmy Panjan. Alexander James Park. Dijan Piljic. Andrew Robert Porter. Kevin James Roberts. Wenhui Song. Damien Anthony Spinello. Andrew James Thompson. Jarvis Royden Walker. Lee Donald Watson. For the Bachelor of Engineering and Mechanical Engineering and the Bachelor of Business, Dean Luke Bazzini. Jack Robert Bruce. Jack Edward Burton. Joshua Wayne Carras. Nicholas Deligenis. James Edward Foden. Timothy Philip Haar. Rishi Job. Brett Wayne Nicholson. Gavin Matthew Pearson. John Mark Rays. Simon Rijopoulos. Zubin Rustamji. Taha Hussein Sheikh. Joel Adam Vinicombe. Matthew Allen Warren. For the Bachelor of Engineering and Mechanical Engineering and the Bachelor of Commerce, Cameron Thomas Portelli. For the Bachelor of Engineering and Product Design Engineering, Shuo Che. Brendan Mankit Choi. Heather Rosemary Cunningham. Timothy John Clyde Garrow. Nuraja Kadish. Isabella Rose Powell. Kimberly Jane Ramsdale. Jacqueline Sarah Savage. Claire Emily Scott. Rebecca Jane Wadlow. Clinton David Walters. Thea Carly Wilson. Kenzie Scott On Hong Young. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics and Mechatronics, J. Peter Brown. Nicholas Peter Coles-Hallam. Pen Zhang Li. Michael Noel Lloyd. Andrew Joseph McMahon. Basit Naqshbandi. Sergei Pekovich. Ranatunga Gamaralaj Madahuka. David Fuad Robinson. Rajbir Singh. Timothy James Spalding. Andrew Thomas Spencer. Andrew David Stephen. For the Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics and Mechatronics and the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science and Software Engineering, Tristan James Burnside. Adrian Grant Cowan. Anthony Peter Hill. Lance Edward Jeffrey. Yu Fei Jiang. Piers Edward Johnson. Joshua Evan McLeod. Jack Timothy Rust. For the Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Sciences and the Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Computer Systems, Brittany Lee Falkenbarsch. Kieran Christopher Murphy. For the Master of Aviation in Human Factors, Emily Pollyanna Menzel. Jonathan Charles Bartley Phillips. Larissa Rose Vakula. For the Master of Aviation in Management, Daniel Craig McLeod. Joseph Brian Silk. For the Master of Construction Management, Nurasira Korea Runasia. Oliver Ralph McKee. Tan Phuc Tran. Brahmesh Varma Venkata Raju. For the Master of Engineering by Research, Matthew Giacomonteo. For the Master of Engineering in Civil, Zong Hei Fan. Lee Brian Sek Tank. For the Master of Engineering Management, Zunash Ijaz. For the Master of Engineering Science and Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Sukhbir Singh Dogra. For the Master of Engineering Science and Civil, Baljit Singh Kamwa. For the Master of Engineering Science in Electrical and Electronic, Raj Kumar Nanad Hana Panani. For the Master of Risk Management, Helena Hadudu. Asan Zulu. For the Master of Technology in Advanced Manufacturing Technology, Mahad Farah. Sensuthan Satkunam. Prasanna Dinesh Vanagu Gamudi. For the Master of Technology in Civil, Danny Shao He Wong. For the Master of Technology in Civil and the Master of Construction Management, Raka Brinath Vishwanath. For the Master of Construction Management, Lupa Joseph Noah. Chancellor, that now concludes the awards for Engineering and Industrial Sciences. I now call upon Professor Min Gu, Pro Vice-Chancellor of Research Capacity and Director of the Centre for Microphotonics, to present the graduates from Swinburne Research.
Chancellor, I have the honour to present to you the graduates on whom the doctorate has been confirmed. For all the thesis citations, please refer to the graduation ceremony program. For the Doctor of Philosophy, Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Ian James DeVere for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. DeVere's thesis is New Direction in Engineering Education, Developing Creative and Responsible Product Design Engineers. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Robert Paul Evans for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Evans' thesis is Synchronization of Load Profile Data and Assessment of the Load Roughness using Waveband Analysis. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Novana Uttama Hutsoid for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Hutsoid's thesis is Fatigue Behavior of Laser Cladding of Hard-Facing Alloys on Steel. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Smitha Jose for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Jose's thesis is Trapping of Ultra-Cold Atom in Magnetic Lattice. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Robin Caffett for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Caffett's thesis is Anchorage System in Concrete Construction strengthened with fiber-reinforced polymer composites. Chancellor. I present to you Dr. Ambrish Kukanian for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Kukani's thesis is Development of an Electrical Vehicle Driving Train for a Small Car. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Aiden Kunivan for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Kunivan's thesis is Robust Repetitive Control and Applications. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. David Luke McDonald for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. McDonald's thesis is Polarization Resolved Ultra-Fast Spectroscopy Investigation of Photo-Induced Structure Dynamics in DCM dye. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Kim Fan for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Fan's thesis is Polarity during migration and asymmetric cell division in fate determination of thermocytes. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Ima Salehi for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Salehi's thesis is Fatigue and Fracture Behavior of Aluminothermic Rare Welds and High Axial Load Conditions. Chancellor, I present to you Dr. Napkin Sample for the Doctor of Philosophy. The title of Dr. Sample's thesis is Fabrication and Characterization of Cobalt Ferrite Nanoparticle and SPPS Deposit Cobalt Ferrite Spirits prepared by Soldier methods. Chancellor, that concludes the award for Swinburne research.
This has been a Swinburne production. Swinburne University of Technology.
I now call upon Mr. Peter James Mullen, who graduated today with a Bachelor of Engineering in Mechanical Engineering, to speak on behalf of the graduates.
Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, members of the University Council, distinguished guests, fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen. Today, each student in this room has reached the end of their journey. We are here to celebrate our graduations. On behalf of the graduating students, I would sincerely like to thank everyone who has supported us on our way. From the very beginning, we have felt like a part of the university community. Swinburne has a fantastic reputation, not only for its close, supportive environment, but the staff at Swinburne especially deserve our thanks for their assistance over the years. Every student here has been taught by people with a passion for what they do. We must also thank our classmates for accompanying us on this journey. It has been a privilege to share the classroom with people aiming for the same goals. But it's not just assignments and exams that make up a degree. It is also about growing as a person, something we couldn't have done without the invaluable support of our friends and families. Through all the challenges and rewards, they have been there for us, helping us fit in some leisure time, offering financial assistance, and listening to us. For all of us, this is a very proud moment and something we have worked towards for a number of years. We are honoured to have you here today, with us today, celebrating our success. Now, as we look at starting new journeys, we acknowledge those who have contributed to our studies. The knowledge, friendship and experience we have gained during our time at Swinburne will help us succeed on whichever path we choose. To my fellow students, congratulations and good luck for the future.
And thank you, Peter. To Swinburne graduates, I know that today is the culmination of years of hard work and that during this time you've had the encouragement and help of family and friends. On yours and the university's behalf, I wish to thank them most sincerely for their support of you while you have been studying here with us at Swinburne, and in particular, of course, to be here today to see you graduate. Graduates, I'm now going to ask you, if you wouldn't mind, to please stand. I want you to turn around, and then I'm going to ask you to join with me in thanking them with a round of applause for all that they have done with you. Graduates, join with me. Thank you, graduates. Please take your seats. This has been a wonderful celebration, and graduates, I do hope that you would have got from the sense of the applause as you're walking up onto the stage how proud everybody is of you and what you've achieved. And you can almost feel it in the room, and it's a great, I think, testament to not only what you've achieved, but also the great support that you've been given by your family and friends. They are very proud of you, of course, as I said to a number of you, and you can take that into the rest of your life, knowing that you've got wonderful people around you to support you. So feel privileged about that. Not everybody has that, but you do. And so it's a great testament, as I said, not only to you, but to your family. So well done, well done. Graduates, I do hope that you will consider that this is really just the beginning of a lifelong association with us here at Swinburne. I know it's become a bit cliched, but in fact, education is a continuing process, and you will learn that throughout your careers, the way in which people now are demanding, and of ourselves we're demanding, that everybody upgrade their skills and capabilities. So I do hope that what you will see in that regard is a lifelong association with us here at Swinburne. But I would also encourage you to keep in touch with your alma mater through Swinburne alumni. At graduation, you automatically become a member of Swinburne alumni. And this is one way of keeping in touch with all of your friends that you have worked with and studied with while you've been with us here at Swinburne. Of course, many of you would probably know that there are a large number of Swinburne alumni chapters pretty well all over the world now. So even though you might be leaving us here in Melbourne, or certainly some of you might, you can still keep in touch with us by being part of Swinburne alumni, and we would love you to maintain that association with us. Graduates, I think I should also, again on your behalf, take this opportunity to thank the academic and professional staff for their contribution to your education here at Swinburne. And to do so, I'm going to actually ask all of the professional and academic staff to please rise. Could you please rise? Thank you. Graduates, let's congratulate and thank them as well. Thank you very much. Please take your seats. Ladies and gentlemen, can I take this opportunity to once again offer my congratulations to everybody who has received an award here today. We are very proud of you. Well done, and thank you for giving us the honour and privilege of providing you with what we regard as an outstanding international education. Well done. Congratulations. I'd now like to call upon Professor Janelle Kidd, Senior Deputy Chancellor of Swinburne University of Technology, to deliver the charge to graduates.
Before I read the charge to graduates, on behalf of the staff at Swinburne, I would like to congratulate you and your achievements that we are honouring here today. Today, you graduate with a deep understanding of your discipline and an appreciation of the expectations of your chosen profession. You also graduate from Swinburne having gained distinctive graduate attributes such as essential generic skills and an ability to problem solve, communicate and work effectively in teams. And I trust that you have also experienced and been challenged by the values that we espouse. Your education is a foundation for your future, and I look forward to knowing of your ongoing success in your wider community. I am sure that you will use your qualifications successfully, both in the profession you have chosen and in the future prosperity and well-being of your community. One of the greatest benefits of achieving a qualification from Swinburne is the opportunity to meet and study with people from different countries and cultures. Friendships developed can be lifelong and mutually beneficial to your career and your country's development. We look forward to your ongoing engagement with us and wish you the very best for your future. May I now ask the graduates to stand, please. In conferral of your award, I ask you, as graduates of Swinburne University of Technology, to strive to practice the university's values of integrity, accountability, teamwork, innovation, sustainability, and respect for diversity. Seek positive and creative ways to engage with and serve your communities. Remain curious and open to new learning and new experiences. And finally, use your knowledge, talents, skills, and passion to encourage a better future for the global community. Graduates, please sit.
Thank you, Professor Kidd. Graduates, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the official part of today's ceremony. Would you now please stand while the official party, the academic procession and the graduates leave the hall.
Swinburne production.